Now when a projectile is projected by making angle theta with the horizontal, again in its path, in its trajectory, when it changes its velocity, then we have to find out the velocity when the velocity, final velocity is making an angle with the angle theta with the initial velocity. So we have to find out like this. So better to consider one projectile which is projected with u velocity and angle is theta. So this will follow a trajectory which is a parabolic path. Now this is the direction of initial velocity. Now here if you consider the velocity, final velocity, for example this is the final velocity, we have to find out the final velocity here. If this velocity direction is making 90 degrees angle with initial velocity, so this is 90 degrees. See here, when the body is moving here, when the projectile is moving here, it is having horizontal and vertical velocities, horizontal velocity and vertical velocity. Here also when it comes here, it is having only horizontal velocity, because vertical velocity will be 0. Again when it is coming down, it is having vertical velocity. So this horizontal velocity is converted into vertical velocity. We know that horizontal velocity ux is equal to u cos theta. Vertical velocity uy is equals to u sin theta. But here we consider that velocity is v, so let it be v. So here horizontal velocity and vertical velocity will be same here. When it comes down, horizontal velocity is converted into vertical velocity. So we can write it as u cos theta is equals to, this is u sin theta, but in terms of v it is converted as v sin theta. So u cos theta is equals to v sin theta. So v is equals to u cos theta by sin theta. We know that cos theta by sin theta is equals to cot theta. So v is equals to u cot theta is the final velocity when it is making an angle 90 degrees with the initial projection of the projectile.